Hello everyone, today we're talking about AliExpress. It's a fantastic online marketplace. You can find just about anything on AliExpress. Plus, the prices are unbelievably low. But did you know you can save even more? That's right. This essay is your guide to unlocking amazing AliExpress discounts. Get ready to become an expert bargain hunter. We'll uncover the secrets to getting the best deals. From coupons to special promotions, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to AliExpress, this guide has something for you. So buckle up and get ready to save big. Let's dive in. AliExpress is like a giant treasure chest full of discounts. You just need to know where to look. First up, we have AliExpress coupons. These little codes are like magic keys to unlocking lower prices. You can find them directly on AliExpress or through various websites and apps. During checkout, simply apply the coupon code and voila, instant savings. Next, let's talk about super deals. This section of AliExpress is a goldmine for bargain hunters. It features products with already reduced prices, often for a limited time. Be sure to check back frequently, as the deals change regularly. Don't forget about free shipping. Many sellers offer free shipping on their products. Keep an eye out for the free shipping filter while browsing to easily find these deals. And for all the newbies out there, AliExpress rolls out the red carpet with new user discounts. Create an account and enjoy a warm welcome with special discounts and exclusive coupons. It's AliExpress's way of saying, welcome to the family. We've talked about all the amazing deals, but what about safety? Don't worry, AliExpress has got you covered. Their buyer protection program ensures a safe and secure shopping experience. If your order arrives damaged, not as described, or doesn't arrive at all, you're protected. AliExpress will work with you to resolve any issues and ensure you get what you paid for. This protection applies to all purchases, whether you snagged a deep discount or paid full price. So, shop with confidence knowing AliExpress has your back. Section 4. AliExpress, a global marketplace on the rise. AliExpress isn't just about great deals, it's a global phenomenon. Millions of shoppers worldwide flock to this online marketplace to find everything their hearts desire. And it's no surprise. AliExpress offers an incredible selection of products, often at lower prices than you'll find anywhere else. This growth is a testament to AliExpress's commitment to providing a fantastic shopping experience. With its user-friendly interface, secure payment options, and reliable shipping, AliExpress continues to revolutionize the way we shop online. Section 5. Conclusion. Embark on your AliExpress adventure. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the world of AliExpress discounts. Remember to utilize coupons, explore super deals, look for free shipping, and take advantage of new user discounts. Don't forget about the buyer protection program that ensures a worry-free shopping experience. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to AliExpress and embark on your shopping adventure today. Happy saving!